Good morning everyone. Today I am going to present topic on the natural language processing, commonly known as NLP. Natural language processing is one of the most important field in artificial intelligence. It enables computer to understand, interpret and communicate using human language such as English, Tamil, Hindi and many others. Every day we interact with the technologies like Google Siri, Search, Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT and language translators. All these applications use NLP to understand human language and provide appropriate response. In this presentation, we will discuss the fundamentals of NLP, history, component, application, techniques, challenge and future developments. First, we have to know what is an NLP. NLP is nothing but is a branch of artificial intelligence that focus on interaction between human and computer through natural language. Human communicate naturally using spoken and written language. However, computer understand only number and machine code. NLP act as a bridge between human communication and computer understanding. NLP uses algorithms, computational logistics, and machine learning techniques to process language data. The main objective of NLP is to enable machine to understand the meaning of text and speech and respond intelligently. Examples of NLP applications include language translation, voice assistant, chatbot, spell checking, sentiment analysis, and text summarization. Thus, NLP helps machine understands human language is a way that is meaningful and useful. This is the NLP. Next, we are going to see what is about the history of NLP. NLP, the history of NLP dates back to the 1950s. One of the earliest milestone was machine translation research, where scientists attempt to automatically translate text from one language to another. During the year 1960 and 1970, rule-based system became popular. These systems relied on manually created grammar rules and dictionaries. In the 1980, statistical methods were introduced, making language process more effective. In the 2000, machine learning techniques transformed NLP by enabling computers to learn from large amount of data. Today, deep learning and neural networks have significantly improved NLP performance. Modern AI systems such as ChatGPT, Google Translator, Alexa use advanced NLP techniques. NLP is now widely used application in healthcare, finance, education, marketing, and many industries also. The next thing is the components of NLP. NLP consists of several important components. The first component is morphological analysis. It's a morphological analysis studies the structure of words. It breaks words into smaller meaningful unit called morphemes. For example, the word unhappiness can be divided into unhappy, unness. The second component is syntactic analysis. This component focuses on grammar and sentence structure. It determines how words are arranged to form meaningful sentence. And the third one is semantic analysis. Semantic analysis focus on understanding the actual meaning of words and sentence. It helps the computer determine the intended meaning based on context. Together, these components allows computer to understand language more accurately. The next thing is applications of NLP. NLP is used in many industries and applications. In healthcare, NLP help analyze patient records, medical records, and clinical notes. These assist doctors in many informed decisions. In finance, NLP is used to analyze financial documents, stock market news, and customer transaction. In marketing, NLP helps companies understand customer opinion through reviews, surveys, and social media posts also. Other applications include chatbot, virtual assistant, email filtering, text summarization, recommendation systems, and machine translations. Because of its versatility, NLP has become an essential technology in modern business. Next thing, the challenges we are facing in LNP. Another NLP, although NLP has achieved remarkable progress, it still faces several challenges. The first challenge is ambiguity. Many words have multiple meanings. For example, the word bank may refer to the financial institution or the side of a river. The second challenge is variability. Different people express the same idea in different ways. Language varies according to region, culture, age, and context. The third challenge is complexity. Human language contains grammar rules, slang, emotions, hidden meanings that are difficult for a computer to understand. Overcoming these challenges remains an active area of research in NLP. The next thing is the NLP technique. NLP techniques, one second. The first technique is tokenization. Tokenization divides a sentence into smaller units called tokens. These tokens can be words, phrase, or symbols. The second technique is legmentization. It reduces words to their root or dictionary form. For example, running, runs, and ran, or reduced to base word run. The third technique is part of speech tagging. This technique identifies the grammatical rule of each word such as noun, verb, adjective, adverb, etc. These techniques helps computer process language efficiently and accurately. The next thing is NLP tools. Several powerful tools are available for natural language processing. Our popular tool is NLTK, which stands for Natural Language Toolkit. And the major tool is a Natural Language Toolkit. Provides a wide range of functions for text processing, tokenization, streaming, tagging, and classification. Another tool is Spacey, is known as it's for speed and efficiency, commonly used in industrial NLP application. The third one is Standard Core NLP. This offers advanced language processing features developed by Stanford University. These tools simply the development of NLP application and research projects. Next, NLP and machine learning. Natural language processing and machine language or learning closely connected. Machine learning enables computer to learn patterns from data rather than relying on manually programmed rules. In NLP, machine learning algorithms are trained using large data set containing text and language information. Applications include SWAM detection, sentiment analysis, language translation, document classification, and a recommendation system. By learning from data, machine learning significantly improves the performance and accuracy of a NLP system. The next thing is about NLP and deep learning. Deep learning is an advanced branch of machine learning that use artificial neural networks inspired by human brain. Deep learning has revolutionized NLP by improving language understanding and generation. Modern NLP applications use deep neural networks to recognize pattern and relationship in language. Example include machine translation, speech recognition, chatbot system, question answering system, and text generation model. Technologies such as chatbot, ChatGPT, Google Bard, virtual assistant are based on deep learning techniques. Next, future of NLP. The future of NLP is very promising. Researchers are continuously developing more advanced NLP model capable of understanding language with greater accuracy. Next, future NLP system will support more language, better understanding context and emotion, provide more human-like conversation. NLP will become increasingly important in healthcare, education, customer service, finance, and many other industries. As technology evolves, NLP will continue transforming the way humans interact with the computer. The next thing is benefits of NLP. Natural language processing offers numerous benefits. Our major benefit is automation. NLP can automate repetitive tasks such as document analysis, customer supports, and information retrieval. Another benefit is cost reduction. Organization can reduce labor cost and improve efficiency by automating language related tasks. NLP also improve accuracy by minimizing human errors and supporting better decision making. Additionally, NLP enhance customer experience through personalized service and intelligent communication system. These benefits make NLP a valuable technology for business and organization worldwide. And we are in now conclusion stage. To conclude, NLP is a powerful field of artificial intelligence that enables computer to understand, interpret, and generate human language. We explored its history, component, application, challenge, techniques, and future development. NLP play a crucial role in modern technologies such as chatbots, virtual assistant, machine translation system, and speech recognition application. Although language challenges still exist, continuous advancement in machine learning and deep learning are making NLP more intelligent and effective. The future of NLP is bright and it will continue to revolutionize human computer interaction. Thank you.